So fitting Zeta Pro Handguards to a BMW. That's how to fit them. Got these heated grips, so I'll have to cut this out for the end plug. Come round here, and I've got the U-clamps that go straight onto the bars, so this is how you do it. And the clamps that go onto the bars. And the actual handguards. I haven't actually got any plastic bits yet, but these are the proper Zeta Pro ones, which I wanted to get for ages. So yeah, here we go. Yeah, these are the end plugs. Obviously, as you tighten them, it pulls it through there, which widens that in the bar, which tightens them in, like so. But mine are genuine BMW bars, and it just about catches the inside there, because these are made for genuine BMW handguards. And obviously these are not them. Yeah, these are heated grips, but it overhangs a bit. That's the bung in the end, so I'm going to have to cut here so it doesn't rub when you rev it. It's looking good, quite nice. Just put them on loose for now. Needs to set these now, tighten these up into the right places, and we're all done.
KTM Viewer.
KTM UB. So there we have it, all done. I just need to get them with plastics for it now. Don't know which ones to get though. Just in time for it to start raining. Quite smart, I think. Take this tape off here. There we have them. Zeta Pro. The side bump. Right, there's a bit of a gap there, don't there? Just the way it's tightened up. Yeah. I know you can get them with the mount from here, not here, so they come down and around to here, which raises up here, so you can boll it on here. I can't remember what that's called, but these are the U-clamp ones, straight onto the bars. There we have it.